Welcome. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to remove your WhatsApp account. If you've decided that it's time to take a break from the app, or if you're simply looking to start fresh, this updated guide will help you through the process, step by step. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Once you're in the app, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 dots there. Tap on them to open a menu with various options. Next, select Settings from the menu. This section allows you to manage your account and customize your app experience. After you enter Settings, look for the option labeled Account and tap on it. This is where you'll find options related to your account management. Now, it's time to move forward. Tap on Remove Account. This is a significant step, as removing your account will delete all your chat history, groups, and backups associated with it. If you're sure about your decision, go ahead and tap on this option. You will now be prompted to confirm your choice. Tap on Remove Account again to proceed. A confirmation message may appear, reminding you of what you will lose by removing your account. Take a moment to review this information to ensure that you're ready to proceed. Once you confirm, your account will be removed and you will no longer have access to your previous chats or groups. If you decide to return to WhatsApp in the future, you'll need to create a new account and start from scratch. And that's it. You've successfully removed your WhatsApp account. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on managing your apps and optimizing your device. Thanks for watching, and take care.